Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro. And you have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from the phone. If you want to check it, you need to enter the Bluetooth. It depends how to check it. On iOS near to your earbuds you'll find information connected or not connected. On some phones it will move from My Devices or Media Devices to Save Devices, meaning the same, that it's disconnected. Some phones have the information, like on Realme under your earbuds you will find the information in use when your headphones connected and no information when it's disconnected. So after that you need to open the charging case. You can remove your earbuds from the case and your earbuds should reconnect to your phone automatically. But sometimes happens with all Bluetooth devices that you don't want to reconnect automatically. If you have this problem, you need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and tap at your earbuds at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.